Hello guys, welcome back to our Trust Basket Gardening channel. Hope you all are enjoying the videos that you receive from our channel. Today in this short video, I came up with an interesting topic that most beginners often confuse, which is difference between perlite and vermiculite. I use perlite and vermiculite in seed starting mixes, potting mixes and lot more. So I thought, why not today I would share the exact purpose of using these soil amendments. Today I'll make it simple and clear in understanding these soil amendments so that next time you will become master at using them. So let's get started. Perlite is a volcanic glass that has been expanded through heat processing. It looks like small, lightweight, white particles with a porous texture resembling small thermocol balls. Vermiculite is a naturally occurring mineral that is expanded through heat processing similar to perlite. It appears as small, lightweight, golden brown or silver grey flakes with a spongy texture. Now let's see how they serve their purpose in the soil mixes. Perlite has excellent aeration properties, which means it helps in improve soil drainage and prevents soil compaction. It allows excess water to drain away from plant roots, thus reducing the risk of root rot. Vermiculite, which has an excellent water holding capacity, retains moisture and nutrients in the soil. This can be advantageous for the plants that prefers consistently moist soil. When coming to water retention in more detail, vermiculite absorbs water like a sponge. It actually expands 3 to 4 times its original size. Whereas perlite doesn't absorb water as much as vermiculite. It just holds water within the tiny pores present in them. Perlite is often used in potting mixes, especially for those plants that prefer well-draining conditions like succulents, cacti and orchids. Whereas vermiculite is often used in seed starting mixes and for that plants that require more moisture retention such as seedlings, cuttings and some house plants. So guys, the choice between perlite and vermiculite depends upon the specific needs of your plants and the growing conditions that you're aiming to create. If you want to improve drainage and aeration, then perlite is good choice. Or if you want to retain nutrients and moisture, then vermiculite might be more suitable. So folks, this was all about perlite and vermiculite. Hope you got some clarity on this. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to our Trust Basket Gardening channel. Thank you. Bye.